Good morning, class. I just wanted to send you this video on, again, how to get into the games. I did send a video before showing this, but for those of you that missed it, here it is. So Mazzy had talked about the link for today on Wednesday. So you have to go in and open up the Google Slides, and I'm going to open up Wednesday. Then we'll look at that link for today. So here's the slide for Wednesday, and make sure you watch the video here, and then you can click on the orange box down here for quizzes. I hope you're enjoying those to practice the skill, to make sure you know how to do this, interpret the remainder. And then the blue link to practice your skills as well for division is here. So what you do is you just click on it. It's just taking a while, sorry. Okay, here we go. So what'll happen is you'll open the link to the game, and some of you may see a puzzle piece saying that Flash Player, there is no plugin. So I have an easy fix for that. You just have to make sure that you follow the instructions. As soon as I get it loaded up here, I will show you how to do that. You have to go into settings in order to allow Flash Player. So as soon as I get it loaded here, okay, it will go to Shepherd Software, which is where the game is. Shepherdsoftware.com, math games for division. Okay, so it will load, and here is where the game should appear. So right now mine is loading. Okay, so you may see something like this: Adobe Flash Player is blocked. If you click on the puzzle piece, which I just did, just click on that. Still loading. Wow. I'm on my desktop computer at home and it's very slow. Looks like I need to clean some files off. So I'm going to click it again to see. What I'm looking for is, you may see this little look up here. I'm circling it right now with the cursor. It says Flash was blocked on this page. So click up there and you'll go to Manage. So go to Manage, get into your Chrome browser settings. So let's see what we can do here. So all it is it's allowing, it's saying that it's going to ask you every time, is it okay to load this plugin? So once this comes up for us, I'm going to show you, you just take the slide bar and click it so that Chrome asks you every time to load. So let's see, my goodness. Okay, here we go. So here is Chrome settings. While it's loading, it's a beautiful day, so make sure you get outside today. Today's Wednesday, April 1st. Welcome, April. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here's where it says block sites from running Flash. So you're going to click this so that it's blue. And it says ask first. So each time you load the game, it's going to ask you, do you want to allow? So you close this, and then your window here is still open. But see, it's not loaded yet. So you have to click the puzzle piece, and it says run Flash, and you're going to allow, and it will load your game, I hope. Let's see. See, it's still communicating. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it should load. Just have to be patient. There's a whole bunch of games on here. I haven't checked through all these, but we picked the best ones for you. So you may want to check that out. Okay, so let's see. Hopefully it'll load up soon. It says it's connecting. Yay. Hopefully it'll connect right now. And Yay, here it is. So it's just going to, you can go to easy or super. I'm going to start off with easy. You should always start at level 1 easy and work your way up. And here you go. So this is the one with the crocodiles, and you're going to brush their teeth. And so let's see. If your devices aren't working at home like mine, this is my desktop computer at home, you may want to use a phone or an e-reader or something like that. Because this is going very slow. But anyway, the answer, 12 divided by 3 is 4, and see how you brush their teeth, and then you get the next problem up. And then that is, the answer to this is 12, if I can get over there. And that's how it works. Okay, so there you go. Hopefully you can get in. I'll see you soon.